Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from PalmPay. So first is open the PalmPay app. Now I can't log in myself because I don't have a Nigerian phone number, but I'll walk you through the steps. So on your home screen, tap on your wallet or the balance that you see at the top. This will take you to your account balance page, and next is tap the withdraw button. You'll see some options, so choose the bank account or mobile wallet where you want to send your money. Enter the amount that you want to withdraw, then select your bank or wallet. Make sure that you double check the account details to avoid any mistakes. And after that, confirm the transaction. You may need to enter your PIN or use a other authentication. Once it's confirmed, the money will be sent to your bank or wallet. And that's it. You've just made a withdrawal on PalmPay. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.